Wow, look at all this snow. It's like way too much. That shear is completely buried. Got like another foot on top of all the snow we got. That's a mound that's as tall as the roof. Gotta check on the little kittens. Oh, there is Strings. Hi, buddy. There's my little black one. And where's Tuxedo Tom? He's around. They hang here. Got a little home right there. Their Peter. And all the snow. They're trapped. Okay, where's the dogs? Probably by the door. I think they had enough of this. See how this is out here. Wow. Look at these drifts. It's incredible. Incredible. Look how deep that is. Wow, haven't seen as much snow like this since, well, 1996 we got a lot. But the blizzard of 78, that I remember. This is like the fourth storm. Trying to hang in there. It's incredible. Hope these roofs don't collapse. All right, we'll let you guys in. They don't like it. They're waiting for spring too. Poor Munchkin and Suki.